Congratulations, Direk. I'm just curious, you said na parang ito yung pinaka, sa pitong VMAX na ginawa mo, ito yung pinaka close to your heart. What themes did you explore and why did you choose those themes for Latina?
I've always been fascinated with the concept of memory. Kasi I've been thinking about it a lot, and sa buhay natin, I think what constitutes who we are is the memories that we have. And na-explore dito sa pelikulang to while I was writing it, yung very concept na yun. So, makikita natin through Katarina kung ano yung, kung sino siya, at kung yung mga questions leading up to what identity is and what role memory has to explaining essentially who we are as people. So,
Ayan. And of course, for the cast, can you talk a little bit about your roles? Ladies first, go.
Oh, hi! So, yung character ni Katarina, she's someone bago eh. So, lahat ng tao na intriga sa kanya, sino tong babaeng to? And nakikita natin dun sa may trailer, sabi ni Popoy, ni Chester, nakakalibog. Sabi niya ganun. So, parang nag-focus kasi yung title na Latina, nag-focus siya sa physical aspects ni Katarina. Sobrang Latina, manamit, mag-ayos ng buhok, mag-makeup, ganyan. But the themes of the film focuses on identity and transformation. And I think dapat dun nagre-revolve yung story ni Katarina kung paano niya mapapakita kung sino siya through the versions of herself through different characters.
How about for you, Chester?
Yes, yung sa character ko na si Popoy is like, worker lang siya dun sa, sa movie. And therefore, na-fascinate ako dun sa kay Katarina kasi syempre, sobrang kong in-admire yung physical body niya. So, yun nga, sobrang Latina yung datingan niya. And then, maganda yung pagkaka-deliver ko, I think, kasi challenge din sa akin yung mga ganitong characters. Unlike on my previous mga film, kasi hindi ako masyadong villainous ngayon. Well, this is a good opportunity sa career ko nung nakuha ko yung character na to. Ayun, and I'm thankful for it. Yun.
That's nice. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was Miss
Thank
MJ Marfori of TV5. Up next, we have Jeff Fernando of Daily Tribune.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi. My first question is for Direk King. Direk, ayun, kasi sa mga beauty contest, di ba, ibig sabihin ng Latina, maganda, perfect, ganyan. Dito po sa pelikulang ito, paano nyo identify yung Latina?
sa totoo lang, to answer your question, I would have to spoil the ending.
Okay.
So, to actually get the actual answer, kailangan panoorin nyo.
Okay.
Pero ostensibly, it's about kung ano yung effect ni Katarina sa mga tao sa boarding house or dun sa
Okay.
town. So, yung effect niya is she's foreign. She seems foreign kasi hindi alam ng mga tao kung saan siya galing. Isa siyang enigma and very intriguing.
Okay.
So, ostensibly, it's about that.
Okay.
Pero yung real answer, you would have to finish the movie. You have to watch the movie.
Thank you, Direk. My next question is for Shalani. Ay, Shalani, sa teaser kanina sabi, pinakilala ka na ang bagong magpapainit sa VMX. Pressure ba yun on your part? Ano masasabi mo?
Yes, definitely. Definitely pressure po siya kasi it's a new taste to, express artistically. Parang paano ko siya i-approach ng aligned creatively sa vision ko as a BMX artist. And most importantly, I like the movie Latina parang nag-focus siya sa physical aspects. So, yeah, something na magpapainit kasi sexy ka, ganyan. But I want to be defined more than sexy. I want to be defined to see people to admire me through me. Yun.
Thank you and congratulations sa inyo. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Jeff Fernando of Daily Tribune. For our next question, we have Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Hi guys, I'm here. First question ko kay Direk. Yung pelikula na Latina, sa tingin mo paano siya nag-stand out as a VMX film compared to the existing films na meron na ngayon sa catalog ng streaming platform na ito? Ano yung parang naging characteristic na pelikula ito that will make it a standout?
When I was writing it and when I directed it, I was able to explore and really, you could say I went all out. Meron akong mga elements na hindi ko nagawa before from my other films. Especially visually, yung cinematography nito is very, I would say very aesthetic, very beautiful. Yun ang how I would describe it. Kasi marami akong mga eksena na talagang nag-focus ako sa visual aspects of it. Marami akong mga slow motion, maganda yung milieu and maganda yung mise-en-scène of certain scenes. You can actually feel the intrigue and the tension and the suspense na kailangan for those particular scenes. Gumamit ako ng analog na camcorder for the dream and memory sequences. Kasi meron talagang sense of nostalgia yung ganong klaseng footages. Hindi siya kaya i-capture ng high definition cameras talaga. And importante kasi sa film na ito yung theme of nostalgia. Kasi babalik tayo dyan, magiging callback siya eventually when you go back to, mako-foreshadow siya. Very important. And bukod doon, yung rain scene and yung opening scene especially, I'm very proud of. Kasi talagang, I would say it's a visual spectacle.
Okay.
Sana mapanood niyo.
Yeah. Sige, thank you Direk. For my second question sa cast naman, ano yung parang nagiging, yung parang nakaka-relate kayo sa mga character na you portray dito sa pelikulang Latina? Let's start with Chester.
Nakaka